forensic refers to the law. Forensics, or forensic science, means using science to help solve legal cases or criminal acts. The forensic scientists help to solve crimes through the analysis of physical evidence found at crime scenes and on victims of crime, compared with evidence related to suspects. Forensic scientists are also often called on to give evidence in legal cases. The scientists specialise in a variety of scientific fields, including mathematics, chemistry, biology and physics. These scientists also specialise in specific areas of forensics. A forensic scientist who analyses bloodstains, for example, will not necessarily have the skills required to analyse fingerprints or handwriting, or to perform an autopsy. There are three distinct branches of forensic science: field science, laboratory science and medical science. Field scientists are involved in crime scene investigation. Their job includes collecting possible evidence, preventing the contamination of a crime scene, preventing the contamination of any evidence taken from the scene, and providing an initial interpretation or theoretical reconstruction of a crime.
We help in assisting the detectives and investigators in the various stations with regards to fingerprinting evidence, collection of DNA, photographing crime scenes, photographing victims, taking statements from victims, taking statements from people who can assist us at all.
Laboratory scientists specialise in areas of biology, chemistry or physics. Their jobs will include the analysis of physical evidence, such as bloodstains and footprints, document analysis, such as handwriting recognition, DNA profiling, and ballistics, that is, the projectile motion of objects such as bullets or bomb fragments.
We don't do any field work as such, and so you don't see us pursuing criminals, but our work does contribute to providing a picture for the coroners or for the pathologists to determine how the person died. And we're just a small part in a large team that looks at determining that.
Medical forensic science is an area that involves medical procedures such as autopsies, the examination of bodies after death, analysis of blood samples from a victim or suspect, as well as dentistry, psychiatry and psychology.
Well, pathology is the medical discipline that deals with the diagnosis of disease, and forensic pathology is the application of that discipline to the needs of the courts and the justice system. So a large part of my work is performing autopsies and trying to come to a conclusion about the cause of death, and also interpreting injuries.
We've got a statement from him, doesn't say that. Do you want to think
On television, forensic science is most often associated with criminal investigations. In the real world, forensic scientists also work within the civil justice system. An example is handwriting examinations performed to determine the validity of a signature. Food manufacturers often use forensic techniques to determine the cause of contamination in food products or product failures. Environmental authorities may also employ forensic scientists to determine the cause of environmental problems, such as oil spills